Shalom, Chevre. This is Richard Solomon, and this is week number 5 in our class. And this week we are going to go over different Skype functions and different functions on Facebook. In particular, we'll demonstrate how to voice or audio chat, how to engage in a video conversation, and also how to screen share, send files, share URLs or web addresses, add contacts, and create a new group on Skype. Alright, so let's get started. Let me go to my Skype account. Please understand, folks, that I have a Mac Skype account. You may have a PC account, and the configuration may be slightly different. So let's first engage in a chat with Elaine Solomon. We go to the search box, we write Elaine Solomon's name in, and we see that Elaine is actually online now, and I'll give her a call. This is for calling, this is for a video conference, and this is for a chat. So let's give her a call and see. So I'm calling her right now. Oh, great. So,
hello.
Hi, Elaine. So right now, Elaine and I are in a video call. And let's demonstrate. You see this icon over here? I'm going to click Stop Video. So Elaine is not able to see me now. And I would like Elaine to click on her Stop Video icon. And you see we simply get a picture of Elaine, but we are now engaged in a voice chat. So Elaine, why don't you just say something to prove, in fact, that we are in a voice chat.
I'm here, and we are chatting.
Yeah, so this is how you engage in a voice or audio chat. And let's go back to the video chat. Okay, so I'm going to go, and Elaine should be seeing me. Elaine, if you like, you can go on your video chat as well. So,
okay, I'm here.
And now I'm going to demonstrate to everyone that what the various icons are. If I want to mute my mic, I would go here. And if I wanted to terminate the call, I'd go here. But this particular button is most interesting. And let me show you how this thing works. If I wanted to send a file to Elaine, I would simply click on Send Files, and that would take me to my computer. And if I wanted to send her this file, WebTool assignment file, I would simply highlight it and click on Send. So that's how you send files to someone on Skype. Let's say I wanted to send a contact. Okay, if I wanted to send, let's say, Adam Green's contact information on Skype to Elaine, I would simply highlight his name and click on Send, and Elaine would get it. Now here's something that's very interesting. You see where it says Screen Share? Watch what happens when I click Screen Share. Then I click on the word Start. And I'm going to go to my particular web address and ask Elaine if she can see what is on my computer. What do you see right now on your computer, Elaine?
I can see the website jewisheducation.org.
So isn't this interesting? Through screen sharing, two people in this case can see the same screen through screen sharing. Now watch this. I'm going to copy the URL for jewish-education.org. I'm going to copy it. Okay. And I'm going to go back to screen share. And we go down to the chat box, and I can paste jewisheducation.org here, and I can hit return, and Elaine would actually get the web address of jewisheducation.org. So, Elaine, thank you so much for assisting me. Let's hang up by hitting the hang up icon.
Okay.
And we are off the conversation. Now, there are a couple other things I wanted to share with you, such as how do you add a contact? We discussed that in the previous conversation, but if you add a contact, you just simply write the person's name in here. Let's say I wanted to have a conversation. I wanted Katrina to be contact with me. I write Katrina's name. And there she is. She's already a contact of mine, but you just click on that and highlight it, and then you just, what you would do is you would request for Katrina to be a contact by clicking one of these icons, which would say request for a contact. Okay? Now the last thing I want to share with you is how do you form a new group? Okay? So if you have a Mac computer and use of Skype, you go into the file menu and you hit new conversation. It'll say untitled. And if you want to add a contact, as we said before, we add people. Let's say we wanted to add Elaine Solomon. Okay, so we click on Elaine Solomon and we click add, and now she is involved in this conversation. Okay, if I wanted to add someone else, let's say I wanted to add Katrina, I would click on Katrina and I would hit add, and you'll notice that now Elaine and Katrina are in this particular group. That is how you make a group contact. Okay, now notice this. If I double click on this, I can actually change the name. I could call this the E, K, and R group. All right? And we go to contacts, and there, sure enough, we've created the E, K, and R group. Okay? Now, it's done differently in if you have a PC, and we'll show you how to get to that in a moment. So, let's see what we've accomplished so far. We've demonstrated how to engage in a voice or audio chat, how to engage in a voice or audio chat with several people by adding people's names, how to engage in a video conversation, how to share files, send files, share URLs or web addresses, find Skype contacts, and also how to create a new group. And as I said to you earlier, if you want to see how to create a Skype group through using a PC, here is a tutorial that actually Katrina made, which will enable you to learn how to create Skype groups through a PC. Now we're going to focus a little bit on editing your profile in Facebook, and we're going to do the following things. We're going to show you how to edit your Facebook page, search for people on Facebook, invite a person to be a friend of yours, and then we'll actually show how to text message, share a photo, share a website, and actually share a video on a private Facebook community of practice page. So, to do all of that, let's get to Facebook. And this is my Facebook page. Here's my name. And if I wanted to edit my profile, I would, see, here's my name, right? And there's my profile. And if I wanted to edit my profile, see where it says update information? I could edit information about my work, and I could edit it right here. I could add to it. I could eliminate it. I can edit information about myself, or by clicking here I can edit that. So there's a lot of information that that you can edit by getting to your profile. And to be more sophisticated, you can click on where it says about, and you can edit information about who are your friends. You can edit photographs, all on your Facebook page. Now, how do we search for members on Facebook? Well, you go into the search box and you just write their name. Let's say I wanted to search for Elaine. I just write her name in, and when I see it, I just click on it. Okay? So, anyone who I want to search for, who's on Facebook, I just do the search through this particular search box. Now, if I write someone's name, let's go to Elaine, and she already is my friend, but if she was not my friend, in this box, you would simply click a particular icon, message that says, ask her to be a friend. So in order to invite someone to be a friend, you just write their name, any name you like. Let's say I'm writing the name George. Okay? George. So if I wanted George to be my friend, I don't know this fellow George, I would just click on his name, like such, and I would click add to be a friend, and that's how I would invite him to be a friend. I can even send him a message. But we don't want to invite George Bernard to be my friend because I don't actually know him. Okay, so let's get back to my Facebook page, and let's get to a specific area where I have my various special groups. Okay, so I created a special group called Toolbox 2.1. It's a private Facebook page, and we're going to get to that right now by clicking it over here. And this is my private Facebook page. Only certain members can be on this page. And what we were asked to do is to show how to write a text message. So if I wanted to write a text message to the folks here, I could simply say, right now, I am creating a tutorial on how to use Facebook. Okay, and then I would click on post and I would send that to them. If I wanted to send a photo to them, I would upload a photo by clicking over here. If I wanted to do a web camera presentation, I would click over here. And if I wanted to share a URL, I would go to, just a moment, if I wanted to share a URL, I would just put the URL right here. So let's say, for example, I wanted to share this URL, this address. I would copy it, go back to my private Facebook page, and paste in that URL, and I click post, and they would be receiving my URL. So, let's see if we've accomplished all that we said we would. We showed how to edit your profile on Facebook, how to search for members on Facebook, how to invite a person inside or out of your group to be a friend on Facebook, and we showed you how to get to a private Facebook page and also write a text message, share a photo or a website URL, and a video on the Facebook page. I don't think I showed you how to do the video on the Facebook page, so let's get to that. Okay, well, actually, you just share the URL for the video when you write a post. Okay, I could just share a video for this URL and just put it right in here, and that's how you get a YouTube or some video on your Facebook page. I guess the other thing I should simply mention is when we get to the home page and I want to go and do an update, we just click on update, and you can share a post or share a video or share a photo or ask a question and click on post. So it looks like we have covered all of the tasks for this week. It's been my pleasure to share this with you, and I offer you the best wishes.